Today we're crossing the border, mixing things up just right. Italian enchiladas, yeah, that combo sounds nice. A Mexican favorite with an Italian twist. Buzz cooks in the kitchen bringing you a hit like this. So like, share, subscribe, hit that bell today. New flavors, new fun, the Buzz Cooks way. Now let's get cooking, let's jump right in. Grab your pan, turn the heat.
Hey everybody, hope everyone's well. Let's get started. Let's get cooking on these Italian enchiladas. You heard me right, Italian enchiladas, baby. So we got our nonstick pan out. 1 onion that I diced up nice and small. Add a little olive oil, and let's start to saute those onions down. Then we're going to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Heat's on medium. And once we hit these with a little salt and pepper, I've also got 1 green bell pepper that I've also diced up. You can use red, you can use yellow, doesn't really matter as long as it's a bell pepper. So we'll throw in the bell pepper next. And as far as Italian sausage, I got 1 pound of hot Italian sausage. You can use mild if you like. If you want to cut up links of sausage, you can do that. Just cut them nice and thin. But I like the ground Italian sausage for this dish. It just works better and makes it easier when we're actually building the enchiladas. But like I said, sometimes depending on where you're at, you might not be able to find ground Italian sausage. So if you just have to use the links, slice them very thin. All right, back to the dish. We got the bell peppers in. Saute those down. And then we're going to add our Italian sausage. This little device here, I'll leave a link. I got it on Amazon. It makes grinding up sausage so much easier. I'm telling you, if you don't have one of these guys, you got to get one. All right, once all that's all cooked up, last thing we're going to do is add some shredded whole milk mozzarella cheese, about 1.5 cups. And that's basically going to give us great flavor and also going to be our binder to keep everything together as it melts. So I'm going to break out my large glass baking dish. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of non-stick for easy cleanup, because we all like easy cleanup. And then we're going to layer the bottom of the glass dish with our favorite marinara sauce. Just like that. And we'll shake it around a little bit to make sure it gets from one end to the other nicely coated. Now I've got large size flour tortillas. You can use corn, but I think for this dish the flour tortillas work perfectly because they don't have that much of a flavor of their own. So we still stay with the Italian flavors. So we'll put a couple spoonfuls of our mixture right on one end, and we'll roll and tuck. And we're going to tuck in just one end and roll all the way up and place it right in our dish. One more time. 2 scoops of our mixture. Roll, tuck one end, place in our dish. There we go. So we'll get all these filled up. Then we're going to layer the top with some more mozzarella. I'm sorry, we're going to use mozzarella, but some more marinara sauce, and then mozzarella on top. And then we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 till it's nice and golden brown, about 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it. And you have amazing Italian enchiladas. I'm telling you, home run. Everybody's going to love this dish. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, every Sunday, every Wednesday, a new show comes out. So please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate y'all very much. And we will see you on the next video. Enjoy this dish.
Today we're crossing the border, mixing things up just right. Italian enchiladas, yeah, that combo sounds nice. A Mexican favorite with an Italian twist. Buzz cooks in the kitchen bringing you a hit like this. So like, share, subscribe, hit that bell today. New flavors, new fun, the Buzz Cooks way. Now let's get cooking, let's jump right in. Grab your pan, turn the heat up, let the magic begin. Dice one bell pepper, dice one onion too. Saute in the pan till they're golden and true. Salt and pepper first thing, garlic goes in. Now 1 pound Italian sausage, cook it up to win. Grease that glass baking dish, no sticking here. Spread marinara on the bottom, nice and clear. Spoon of sausage mixture, roll it up tight in a flour tortilla, layer them just right. Top with more sauce, mozzarella on top. Bake till it's golden and bubbling hot. Pull it out the oven, let the family see. Italian enchiladas done Buzz Cook style, baby, baby. And if you haven't yet, don't hesitate. Like, share, subscribe, yeah. Don't be late. New videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Buzz Cooks bringing flavor your whole life long.